here we see the high school couple in their natural habitat.
Crikey.
Notice how they ignore everything around them, including other people. Are they gonna respond to us staring at them?
Crikey.
Let's find out.
And now we see here, this is a dominance display. I'm not really sure exactly which one's trying to assert, but clearly this is some kind of power play.
No, I have to go over here.
And what's the answer to the noticed?
They're both synthetic. Crikey. You see over there. High school seniors in their natural habitat.
Notice how they're once again ignoring everything around them. They're completely absorbed in their own little world of smartphones and sassiness.
Now this is going to be dangerous, but we're going to attempt to get closer.
Tyler, what are you doing?
Do not try this at home.
I'm gonna offer them an Oreo. Let's see if they respond.
Quick behind the tree.
Oh my God!
Go! Alright, let's go! Let's go!
I don't think there's ever been.
It's noticing us. It's noticing us.
It's never been done before.
Do you want an Oreo?
Well, you see, over there we've got the leader of the pack.
Where are they?
Over there.
She's mixed in.
No, you can't quite see her. We're gonna have to
get
get
closer. Come on. Sneak up.
Again, do not try this at home.
Notice how she's directing and commanding everyone around her.
You may notice. Oh. No, not too close. Not too close. If you anger the leader of the pack will attack. See, they're trying to block our shot. The pack's trying to block our shot. See, if we get too close, we may be maimed or worse.
Not this! Go!
See, what we have here is an item dropped by a member of the rival pack over there. We're going to attempt to return it. Crikey. Again, do not try this at home or else you may be maimed or worse.
It's very, very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Very dangerous indeed.
By the way, this has never been done before. This is one of a kind. Guinness Book of World Records kinds of things. Excuse me. It's yours.
Yeah, it is.
He's angry! You see, what we have here is we've taken in one of the natives.
G'day.
He's actually already learned our language.
Crikey.
He's quite intelligent.
Fairy bread.
Alright then. We're gonna continue. Well, you see, we found something very special. What we need to do is we need to hold on. Anyway, we found an old member of the pack, actually, the old leader. We're gonna go take a closer look.
He's been exiled. He's a lone wolf now. Crikey.
Very careful.
Gotta sneak up through the brush.
Very to avoid strangers. Slowly, not too fast. Have we lost him? Crikey, crikey. We lost him. There he is. Seems he's joined the pack. He's trying to rejoin the pack. We're not sure how this is gonna go. This is a momentous occasion.
We've never seen this before. This is new activity.
Oh my God, he's conversing.
He's being accepted into the pack.
Not too close. I'm going to approach.
He's going to approach. Watch. Crikey. This will be very delicate.
I'm going to... You see what's happened here? We've gained another savage. This one, however, does not know English quite as well.
Oi! What, mate? What?
See, he only seems to have picked up on random noises. You see what's happened here on this episode of Nature or Bust? We found the den Crikey, we're going to approach.
No humans ever stepped foot inside the den before.
We're going to attempt to enter now.
Quiet, slow. Don't alarm them. They're trying to take notice of us.
Yes! Come on!
This is some kind of proving test.
Yes!
She's mad! She's mad! She's mad! Ah!
My word. It seems here that we're having them approach us. Good day.
That's angry!